Hello and welcome to Flowplast Technical Tuesday. So today I want to run through with you the different types of rafter brackets that we have that can be used when installing our rainwater systems. But to start with, you need to understand what a rafter is. Now, a rafter is the end of an apex within a roof that protrudes past the wall in a house. Usually this is wooden and often cut at 90 degrees to the wall to give a surface for fascia and soffits to be attached to. However, not all types of houses have rafters available as a fixing point. Generally, this is the case with your more older homes and barns due to the structure of the roof. This gives very limited options to affix your rainwater systems, and this is where our rafter brackets come into play. So whether you need a rise and fall, a side fix or a top fix, Flowplast have three types of rafter brackets to fulfill your requirements. Firstly, we have our RF1, our rise and fall bracket. This type of bracket is fixed into the wall directly below the lip of the roof. This does not therefore rely on any wooden surface being available, but it does require some pre-planned installation if things such as rendering need to take place pre or post fitting. Care should be taken to ensure that the vertical threaded rods are all in line and the bracket centres should not exceed the maximum as advised for each of our rainwater systems. The RF1 bracket allows the height or fall of the gutter to be adjusted with its screw mechanism. The fascia bracket is then installed onto the rise and fall bracket with a screw grub. Now, most types of rainwater systems can be used with the universal rise and fall bracket. This is a common option for thatched houses where the edge of the roof protrudes a great distance from the wall. Now secondly, we have our RR1, the top hung bracket. This type of bracket is used when the rafter ends are left exposed, giving a solid fixing base. Now, the lack of fascia and soffit means that this bracket is fixed directly into the wooden rafter, allowing the use for standard fascia brackets to be installed, again with a grub screw. And finally, we have our RR2, the side hung rafter bracket. Now, very similar to our top hung rafter bracket, the side hung rafter bracket is used when no covering is applied to bare rafters. Now, this is very common on period homes or barn conversions, where the rafter may be at an unusual angle in comparison to the walls. Now, remember, when installing both our RR1 and RR2, you must use a 30mm by 6mm screw. Now, if you have any questions or queries on these products, please contact our technical team at technical@flowplast.co.uk.